Hey everyone, today, we're diving into some of the most shocking car accidents ever caught on camera. You won't believe what happens in some of these clips, so stick around. This is something you've never seen before. The white SUV driver had a split-second decision to make when an elderly woman suddenly stopped in the middle of the road. Without wasting a second, he slams the brakes, saving her life by inches. But then, boom, a black SUV comes flying in from behind and slams right into the white SUV. No time to react. It was chaos in a heartbeat. One moment you're a hero. The next, you're caught in a wreck you never caused. Now this is straight out of a movie. One man, one snowy road, and a twist you won't believe. Suddenly, a black car loses control, skidding like it's on ice. Because it is, in a split second, it slams into the parked car. But watch this. The man jumps onto the car hood like it's a stunt scene from an action movie, dodging death by inches, 1 second slower. And this story would have ended differently. OMG, this guy saved himself by inches. One wrong move and this could have ended so differently. Look at that, the split-second reflexes, perfect timing. This man just danced with danger and walked away like a boss. This is something you've never seen before. A calm morning, a sunny road, and this dashcam driver is just out for a normal drive. But then boom, out of nowhere a chunk of flying ice comes hurling through the air and shatters his windshield. No warning, no time, just pure luck that he made it out alive. These are the worst drivers of the week. This biker was too busy making fun of those two schoolboys, laughing, joking, completely distracted. But karma hits fast, he wasn't watching the road, and boom! He slams right into the back of a car. This footage came from Vietnam, and what you're about to see will leave you breathless. This lady scraped death by inches, one more step, and it could have been a tragedy.
Ôi salah, gimana be?
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
did not think that would happen.